So hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Uruguay permanent residency. This is helpful if you're planning to live in Uruguay long term and you want to make sure that your stay is legal and official. The process may look a little confusing at first, but once you know the main steps, it becomes much easier to follow. So the first thing to do here is to make sure that you entered Uruguay legally and check that your personal documents are ready. So you will usually need a validity identity document, a police clearance certificate, and in some cases, civil records like a birth certificate or a marriage certificate if they are needed to support your application. So, documents from abroad normally need to be apostilled or legalized. And if they're not in Spanish, they usually need an official translation in Uruguay. After that, go to the official residency website and start the online application. Fill in the forms carefully and upload the required documents. Once your file is reviewed and accepted, you'll be able to schedule your appointment and pay the required fee. Then, on the day on your appointment, bring the original documents with you. After you submit your residency application, Uruguay can issue a digital certificate that shows that your case is in process. With that, you may apply for your Uruguay identity card, which is first issued with a 2-year validity. So, one important thing here to remember is that the permanent residency does not have a fixed processing time, so it's also a good idea to keep checking your application updates. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.